Cheeky Monkey Club, it's class time.
I've got blue. Oh, we've got green, purple, pink, yellow. Who loves yellow? I love yellow too. It's a real sunny colour, isn't it? It's a happy colour.
That's for Cheeky Monkey for the banana colour.
Oh, that's true. He must love yellow because it's the same colour as bananas. That's a good one. Do you think we could make a rainbow sandwich?
Yeah.
A rainbow sandwich. Well, if we're going to make a rainbow sandwich, we're going to have to. We're going to have to start with the biggest. The biggest. All right, let's take them. Move them over. Will we put blue in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the starting one.
It's the starting one. Very good.
And then green. We need it on green.
Well, is green the next biggest?
Yeah.
Blue,
Yeah.
green. Oh, that looks good.
Yellow.
Are you sure yellow's next?
Yes.
Blue, green, then yellow.
Orange.
Orange.
Red. Your favourite colour.
You are right. You know what? I think because... Do you want to come and do the purple one? Come on, come and do the purple one. Come and do the purple one. See if you can put it in the middle. Right. Oh, and a big clap, everybody. We made a do you think it looks like a sandwich?
No.
Maybe we could roll it up and it could be a sushi rainbow.
Hello, it's Juanita from Cheeky Monkey Club. Thanks for hanging out and having some fun. If you'd like to see more Cheeky Monkey Club videos, don't forget to click subscribe down below. And give us a thumbs up. Bye! Oh, and Cheeky Monkey says press that bell right next to the subscribe bar and you won't miss out on any of our new videos.